Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp message on iPhone. So if you deleted WhatsApp, changed your iPhone or lost your chat, don't worry, you can get them back if you have an iCloud backup. First, there are few important things to check. Make sure you are signed into the same Apple ID that you used to back up WhatsApp. Also make sure iCloud Drive is turned on. To check this, open the Setting app on your phone, tap on the top name, tap iCloud and turn the iCloud device on. After that, install the WhatsApp from App Store. If it's already installed, open WhatsApp, enter the number, same phone number that used to backup. Verify it using SMS. After verification, WhatsApp will look for the iCloud backup. When your chat backup found, tap Restore Chat History. Your chat will appear first. Photo and video will continue down in the background. If the WhatsApp doesn't find a backup, check this thing. Make sure you are using the correct Apple ID and make sure iCloud Drive is turned on. And confirm that a WhatsApp backup exists in iCloud. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.